The velocity of end A of the rod is given as u, and that of the end B is given as v. Okay, so we have to calculate the value of v in terms of u. Okay, now that is the way we have to calculate this velocity v in terms of this velocity, that is u, or it is, let it be equal to u dash. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, so we will proceed over here. First of all, let this length be equal to y and let this length be equal to x. Okay, let the vertical height be y and the horizontal distance be x. Now the length of the rod, let it be equal to L, which always remains constant. As the block slides down, as the ladder slides down, okay, as this part slides down, the value of y will go on decreasing and the value of x will go on increasing, but the value of length, that is the L, will remain constant. If I apply the Pythagoras theorem, L square will be equal to x square plus y square. When I differentiate on both the sides with respect to time, over here, when I differentiate on both the sides with respect to time, over here it will be equal to L square is constant, so dl square by dt will be equal to, this will be equal to 0. The next differentiation is d square x by dt, which will come out to be 2x dx by dt plus differentiation of y square will give me the answer 2y dy by dt, dy by dt. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. X dt, it represents, now x is the distance in the x direction. Okay, so differentiation with respect to time will give me the velocity. So over here 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. X into velocity into the x direction plus y into velocity of the y direction will be equal to 0. Now over here, let me divide the whole equation with respect to L, okay, or with L. So x by L Vx plus y by L Vy will be equal to 0, because 0 divided by anything will be equal to 0. Now what will x by L give me? X by L, if you see with respect to this theta, is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, which is equal to x by L. So cos theta Vx plus sin theta, similarly y by L will give me sin theta Vy will be equal to 0. So now the Vy, that is the velocity in the y direction, is given as u. Okay, velocity in the y direction is given as u. We have to calculate the velocity in the x direction. So velocity in the x direction will be equal to velocity in the y direction sin theta divided by cos theta. Now over here Vy is given as u, or it will be minus, in fact it will be negative of this part. If I only want the magnitude, I will keep it as it is. So it will be equal to u tan theta. So the answer will be C, that is the velocity of the component B, or the B component, is equal to u tan theta.